Hello students, I welcome you all at Safal. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss previous year questions of height and distance chapter. So we are going to discuss those questions which were asked in 2018, 2019 and 2020. So this chapter also has a good weightage. Generally 4 to 5 marks question every year they ask. So let us start and see what all questions they have asked. So first I have taken question from the year 2020, what you can see on the screen. So in 2020 they have asked 5 mark question, one question for 1 mark and one question for 4 marks. In set 2 the 4 mark question was different, that's what I have taken it separately. But overall they have asked 5 mark questions in the year 2020. So let us see how to work out this question. So the first question we have with us is, in figure, the angle of elevation of top of tower from a point C on the ground, which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower, is 30 degree. So find the height of the tower. So that means basically they are interested in finding what? AB. So AB is what? Question mark. So you know that it's a very simple problem, just you need to apply what? Tan ratio. So I can see that tan 30 is AB by BC. AB by BC. Now we know that tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Now AB we are supposed to find and BC is given to us as 30 meter. So on cross multiplication, AB what I'll get? I'll get 30 by root 3. So this you can multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. So root 3. So effectively it becomes 30 root 3 by what? 3. And 3 tens are 30. So I can say 10 root 3. So 10 root 3 meter is the height of this tower. So AB is how much? 10 root 3. So let's move ahead and take up the next one. So the 4 mark question which they have asked, statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So find the height of the pedestal. That's what they are asking. So let us visualize the situation with the help of a diagram. So you can see I have taken this purple color stick. So let's assume that this denotes what? Statue. Okay. Now this statue is what? On the top of a pedestal. So bottom, the red color I have taken as what? Pedestal. Now from a point on the ground. So this is a point on the ground. And from this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is what? 60 degree. You can see in the diagram. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal, that means of this point, is 45 degree. So we need to find the height of the what? Pedestal. So this length is given to us as 1.6 meter and this red one is asked. So let me call it as H. So I can name it A, B, C and let's say D. Okay. So we are supposed to find BC. So BC we have assumed it as what? H. So that we are supposed to find. So I can see that in triangle ABC, I can see that tan 45 degree is BC by AB. BC by AB, correct? So tan 45 is 1. So 1 equals BC by AB. So from here I'll get AB equals BC and that we have taken it as what? A small h. So let me call this as first equation. Now we'll consider the big triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, okay, so there I'll apply tan ratio of 60 degree. So tan 60 degree, I'll write it as BD by AB. BD by AB. Now from here I can see that tan 60 degree we know it is root 3. Now BD, so BD has two parts. BC plus CD. So let me write it, BC plus CD, and AB, let me write as it is for the time being. So now I'll cross multiply. So on cross multiplication I'll get AB root 3, okay, equals what? BC plus CD. Now let us substitute the value what we know. So we know that AB is what? H. So this is basically H root 3. Now BC is H and CD is what? 1.6. So this H will come this side. So H I'll take common. So root 3 minus 1 equals what? 1.6. So from here H I'll get it as 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. So now you have the option of substituting root 3 value here and then simplifying. That also you can do, or maybe you can rationalize and then you can do. So here I am rationalizing it, the denominator part. So root 3 minus 1. So the rationalizing factor is root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1. So effectively it becomes 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Denominator if you see it, so a square minus b square. So that's root 3 square minus 1 square. So effectively it becomes 1.6 root 3 plus 1 by what? 2. Correct? So this I can write it as 0.8 into root 3 is 1.73 and 1.73 plus 1 is 2.73. So this I can multiply. So on multiplication you will find that this is approximately 2.18 meter. So that means the height of the pedestal, that is H, is what? 2.18 meter. So that's going to be the answer. It was a good question. In the second set they have asked similar question, minor changes there. So from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree. So find the height of the tower. Now a tower is there, and so again the same purple color tower I have taken, and it is standing on a 20-meter high building. So let's say this red color is what? 20-meter high building. Okay. Now from a point on the ground, so let's say this is the point, the angle of elevation of the bottom. So now this purple color is the tower. So the angle of elevation of bottom is what? 45 degree, and top is what? 60 degree. So this point angle of elevation 45 degree and this point angle of elevation 60 degree. So what they are asking find the height of the tower. So this we are supposed to calculate. Let us assume it as H. So again I can name it like the earlier problem. So A, B, C and D. So I am supposed to find CD, and that we have taken it as H. So question mark. So I can write in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. So I'll get tan 45 degree equals what? BC by AB. Now tan 45 is 1, BC is given as 20 and AB is not known. So on cross multiplication I'll get AB equals what? 20 meter. Let us call this as first equation. Now we'll apply tan ratio in big triangle. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, so from there we'll get tan 60 degree equals what? BD by AB. So BD by AB. Now we know that tan 60 is what? Root 3. Now BD is basically BC plus CD. So let us write that BC plus CD, and AB we have just now found, that is 20. So on cross multiplication what I'll get? BC plus CD equals what? 20 root 3. So the value of BC is known to us, that is 20, and CD is H. So 20 root 3. So again 20 will go that side. So 20 root 3 minus 20. So this maybe you can simplify by taking 20 common. So root 3 minus 1. Now the value you can substitute. So 1.73 minus 1. So 20 into 0.73. So this value approximately it comes 14.64 meter. So that means the height of the transmission tower above the building was what? 14.64 meter. So now moving ahead to the year 2019. So 2019 they have asked 4-mark question. So again this was in set 1. Set 2 they gave 2 questions, and here we had choice also, internal choice was given. So let us see all this 3 problems. So the first one we have is Amit standing on a horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance 200 meters from him at an angle of elevation what? 30 degree. So let us visualize the situation. Now Amit is standing here. Now let's say the bird is flying somewhere here. Okay, this white spot what you can see. So and Amit of course is here. So this is the place where Amit is, and there. Okay. Now this distance is given to us as what? 200 meter. And Deepak is standing on the roof of a 50-meter high building, finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree. And the most important information, Amit and Deepak are on the opposite side of the bird. So that means if bird is somewhere here, so Deepak should be to the right of the bird. Then and only they will be what? Opposite side. So let's say this is the red color is the 50-meter high building, and this is the position of what? Deepak. So he is finding the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree. Maybe we can drop a vertical from this position. So I can name the diagram. So let A, B, C, let's say D, this point is E, and let's say F is the position of bird. So what we are supposed to find the distance of the bird from Deepak. Now Deepak is at point E. So basically we need to find EF equals what? Question mark. So let us see how to work it out. So from this 200 meter data, I'll try to find this BF. Okay. So which ratio we can apply? So in triangle ABF, now I can write sine 30 opposite by hypotenuse. That means BF by AF. BF by what? AF. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2. Now BF for the time being we don't know, and AF is given to us as 200 meter. So on cross multiplication, BF I'll get it as what? 100 meter. So this is one information. Now we can see from the diagram that BD is same as what? CE equals what? 50 meter. Right? If this is 50, this will also be what? 50. And now total is 100. So if this is 50, this also has to be what? 50. So now I can write, so BF is what? 100. Now, so BF is basically 2 part BD plus DF. BD plus what? DF. So this is 100. So BD we can substitute here. So 50 plus DF equals what? Because solution we need to write it, right? Simply I cannot write with the help of diagram. So DF is 100 minus 50. So that's going to be 50 meter. So now DF we have with us. So we need to find what actually? We need to find EF. So again I need to write a trigonometric ratio which relate DF and EF. So in triangle DEF, now sine 45 degree equals what? I can write DF by EF. Now sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Now DF we have found it as 50, and EF we don't know, that we are supposed to find. So on cross multiplication, EF I'll get it as what? 50 root 2. So 50 root into meter. If you want to convert in decimal, so 50 into 1.41 approx, right, root 2 value. So this effectively comes out to be 70.71 meter approx. So that means the distance of the bird from Deepak was how much? 70.71 meter. It was a good question because visualizing the situation is more important in application of trigonometry questions. So in set 2, they have asked another question that is there on the screen. A moving boat is observed from the top of a 150 meter high cliff. So let's assume a cliff. So this is a cliff, height is what? 150 meter. Now from this top, a moving boat is observed. The angle of depression of the boat changes from 60 degree. Now initially angle of depression is what? 60 degree. So the boat position is somewhere here, and after 2 minutes the angle of depression was found to be what? 45 degree. That means second position of the boat is this. So of course this angle will also be what? 60 degree, and this angle will be what? 45 degree. Now what they are asking is the speed of the boat in meter per minute. So maybe I can name it A, B, C and D. So this is the distance CD the boat has traveled. So we need to find CD and then we need to divide it by what? 2, because the time taken is 2 minutes. So in triangle ABC, in triangle what? ABC, I can see that tan 60 degree equals what? Opposite side, that is AB, by adjacent side, that is BC. Okay, so what I'll get? Tan 60 is root 3. Now AB is known to us as 150 and BC we don't know. So from here BC I'll get it as 150 by root 3. So let's call this as first. Now we'll take the big triangle. So in triangle ABD, so there I can see that tan 45 degree equals what? AB by BD, correct? So AB by BD. Now tan 45 is what? 1. So 1 equals AB by BD, or maybe if I wish AB I can substitute here. So AB is 150 by what? BD. So on cross multiplication BD I'll get it as what? 150. Okay. So now BD is basically has two part, BC plus CD. So BC plus CD equals 150, correct? Now BC we have found. So from equation 1 BC I can substitute here. So what is the value? 150 by root 3. So plus CD equals 150. तो यहाँ से जब अपन ट्रांसपोज करेंगे 150 by root 3 को राइट हैंड साइड, सो 150 minus 150 by root what? 3. So this on simplification, maybe 150 you can take common. So root 3 minus 1 by what? Root 3. So if you want to simplify root 3 you can multiply up and down. So 150 3 minus root 3, and root 3 into root 3 will become what? 3. So from here 3 50s are. So 50 into 3 minus 1.73. So this is the distance. Okay. So this is approx 63.40 meter. Okay. So this is the distance what the boat has traveled. Now speed is what? Distance by time. So speed I can find. So distance is 63.40 and time taken is 2. So this is approximately 31.70 meter per minute. Okay. So it was a good question. So the OR part of this question they have asked is, there are two poles, one each on either bank of a river. So let's assume a river. So you can see this black line denotes what? The width of the river. Okay. Now one pole is there on each of the two bank. Okay. So here the red color is the pole having height, it's given as 60 meter. Now from the top of this pole, that means observer is somewhere here, the white spot on the screen. The angle of depression of top and foot of the other pole are 30 and 60. So of course angle of depression is happening, so the other pole height should be less than what? This pole. So angle of depression of top is 30 degree and bottom is what? 60 degree. So maybe from this point I can draw one horizontal line. So by alternate interior angle, this will become 30 degree and this will become what? 60 degree. Fine. Now what they are asking? Width of the river and height of the pole. So let us name it. So this is A, this is B, let's say this is C, this is D, and this point is what? E. Now what is given? So let's say if this I am taking it as H, AB as what? H. So CD will also be H. Now CE is given as what? 60. So of course ED will become what? 60 minus H. That will be the length of what? ED. So now we can write the things. So first I am taking in triangle BCE. Triangle what? BCE. So I can write tan 60 degree equals what? C by BC. C by what? BC. Now tan 60 is root 3. C, the height of the pole is 60. BC we don't know. So from here I'll get BC equals what? 60 by root 3. So this is basically 20 root 3. You can multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 and then you can get this. So that means width of the river is what? 20 root 3 meter. That first part we have found. Now if this is 20 root 3, this will also be what? 20 root 3, correct? So now we are supposed to find the height of the pole. So what I will do in triangle ADE, in triangle ADE. So I can write tan 30 degree equals opposite side, that is DE, by adjacent side, that is AD. Okay. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now DE is 60 minus H, correct? And AD is same as BC, just now we have found 20 root 3. So from here if I'll cross multiply, so what I'll get? Root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So I'll get 60 minus H equals what? 20. So this will give minus H equals 20 minus 60. So minus H equals what? Minus 40. So the value of H will become what? 40 meter. That means width of the river, already we have found, that is 20 root 3 meter, and height of the second pole, so height of the other pole is what? 40 मीटर. ठीक है. सो आप देख रहे हैं कंसेप्ट अगर आपके स्ट्रांग है तो सवालों को करना बहुत ही आसान है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So moving ahead to year 2018. So 2018 also one question they have asked for what? 4 marks. So it is similar to the question which was asked in 2019. As observed from the top of a 100-meter high lighthouse from the sea level. So let us assume a 100-meter high lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse, 100-meter high. Now the observer is at this position, white spot. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. So from this position, the angle of depression of the first ship is found to be what? 30 degree. So if there it is 30, here also it is 30. So ship 1 is at this position. Now the other ship is also on the same line, that means on the yellow line, and angle of depression of that ship is found to be 45 degree. That means this is 45 degree. Now what we are supposed to find? The distance between the two ships. So let us name the diagram. So A, B, C and D. So basically they are asking us to calculate what? What is the length? CD. Okay. So easily we can do it. So in triangle ABC, in triangle what? ABC. So I can see that tan 45 degree equals what? Opposite by adjacent. That means AB by BC. Now we know that tan 45 is 1. AB is given as 100. BC we don't know. So on cross multiplication the value of BC will become what? 100 meter. Let us call this as first equation. Now we'll apply tan ratio in what? The big triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, I can write tan 30 degree. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side is what? BD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, correct? So AB, that is 100, and BD we are supposed to find. So on cross multiplication I'll get BD equals what? 100 root 3. Okay. Now BD is having two parts, BC and CD. So I can write BC plus CD equals what? 100 root 3. Now BC we have found. So BC is what? 100. So 100 plus CD equals 100 root 3. तो यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगा CD equals what? 100 root 3 minus 100. So 100 अगर आप कॉमन लेते हैं तो आपको मिल जाएगा root 3 minus 1. Now if you wish the value of root 3 you can substitute. So 100 root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So 100 into 0.732. So this will become 73.2 meter. So that means the distance between the two ships was 73.2 meter. So इस तरह से अपना पिछले 3 साल के बोर्ड के प्रश्नों का डिस्कशन खत्म हो जाता है. मुझे आशा है कि आपने हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस चैप्टर भी एंजॉय किया है. So you guys can comment how you are feeling about the videos. Also you can share the videos with your friends. So thank you so much for watching Safal.